Good morning, everyone. How you doing? Decided to come out super early. I've been up since about 3 o'clock this morning, but it's about 6:40, 6:50 now. Sun is just starting to come up, and it looks absolutely stunning. So, I'm gonna take some photos. Look at that. Ooh, look at that. Right over the industrial complex right over there. Just stunning. Look at that. They're gonna stop at get some Timmy Ho's. Tim Hortons. You know, it's not the best coffee in the world. It's not the tastiest coffee in the world. But I'm pretty sure they put crack in it just to keep people coming back for more. Just because, yeah, it's habit now. Buffalo, New York, Tim Hortons. It's a thing. I don't get it. I prefer brewing it myself, but sometimes it's just like, why? Amazing how we find comfort in mediocrity sometimes, you know what I mean? I'm gonna hear some shit about my order, I know it. Just because I have stomach problems, so I have to order it the way I order it. Otherwise, the rocket fuel destroys my stomach lining. You'll see. You'll see.
Hey, could I get a extra large dark roast, 5 cream, 2 sugar, shot of espresso?
Extra large 5 cream, 2 sugars, and a shot of espresso.
Dark roast.
Got it.
Cool. Thanks, man.
Not a problem.
I ain't gonna get dark roast. I already know it. That guy sounded like he hates his job. Like, yeah, I'll get you your fucking coffee. Shut up. just shut up and drink your mediocre coffee. You'll be back. I know it. You deal with your shit again. With your 5 creams and your 2 sugars. It's alright though. I have to do it that way. But I get the dark roast and I get the shot of espresso, so I mean, kind of makes up for it. So I call it rocket fuel. Highly caffeinated but creamy. It's weird. I can take down Carolina Reapers and Ghost Peppers and any freaking hot pepper you throw at me. I've eaten a Trinidad Scorpion. Coffee? Heartburn. Instantly. It's the worst. The worst.
Coffee time, coffee time.
Alright. Howdy. Thanks, you too. Alright. That's enough for coffee time B-roll. I'm gonna crack this and enjoy a little sippy sip with it. I'm not kidding. Canada's finest in Buffalo, New York. Let's see how they did today. Usually the one across from the Tesla plant that we have around here is pretty spot on, so. Weak as shit today. That's unfortunate. Tastes like milk. Usually with the shot of espresso, it is just rocket fuel coffee. This ain't gonna do dick for me. Oh well. But while I'm over here, might as well take this down real quick. Give you a neat little shot of the Tesla plant over here. Right across the street from Tesla. How cool is that, right? It's a big facility too. It's huge. Huge facility. All right, that's enough for me. Peace.
Wow. All right, well, got some photos of, there's a nice bridge over there, and I took some photos of Concrete Central over here and Cargill's. Normally with Explorer code, I don't give away the names of these places, but those two in particular, Concrete Central and Cargill's, are both well known. They've been for like 20, 30, 40, 50, 60 years. That's how long they've been getting explored. So it's not like I'm giving away an industry secret here, and everyone that's from this area knows about these buildings. So I'm not saying anything new that anybody didn't know about already. But they're mostly just cement buildings that have like grain silos in them. They're pretty well gutted. So all that's in there is cement and some really nice artwork. I mean, they're not being used for anything, so people coming in and tagging the place really isn't that big of an issue, I think. Places that are like horribly dilapidated and just haven't been used for anything for, decades. I mean, I just see it as a free paint job. I mean, a lot of the artwork in there is pretty good. Yeah, you're gonna get a dick here and there, but some people really come in there and pour their heart and soul into some spray paint, and it's stunning, to say the least. A lot of the work is very, very beautiful. I put up quite a bit of it on my Instagram account, but from past explorations, I didn't really go into too much detail. Just I got things to do today. I would like to get back in there with a more professional camera and get some shots of that artwork that's in there, just because it's phenomenal. A lot of it is really, really nice to look at. So, light just changed. I've got direct sunlight beaming in my face right now. So I'm going to get out of here. That's pretty much today's update. The rest of today, I'll be flying by the seat of my pants. So I really don't know what's going on. I decided to make an early start and get a little bit of me time today. So that's it. Peace.